Bruschetta, oh, it's a delightful thing. I'm going to show you a little bit of a glamorous one here with roasted tomatoes, and I'm going to serve it with some cherry bocconcini. Cherry bocconcini, well, they're the size of a cherry. Essentially, it's mozzarella. I love it. So I've got some old bread here. Old bread is best because it's going to absorb loads of flavour. I'll add some extra virgin olive oil. Be quite generous with the oil, so oil on the top. You can turn the bread over and on the other side too. We'll turn it back. And this is where we can start building flavours. So I love the addition of some garlic. I'm not even going to take them out of the skins, just a gentle bruise. They're going to roast in the oven, become really sweet and soft. So into the baking dish, anchovies that are salty and savoury along with bocconcini. So good together. So I'm just going to add 2 little strips to each bruschetta. You can leave it off if you like. Some chili flakes, a little sprinkle for some warmth, and then cherry tomatoes. Look how gorgeous these are. So we'll just pop that onto each slice of sourdough. Spread them around, and as they cook in the oven, they're going to burst, so some of those tomato juices are going to flavour the bread. Last thing at this stage is salt. Be generous with the salt. We've got to season the bread and we've got to season the tomatoes. So this now goes into the oven, 180 degrees, and we're going to cook them for about 15 minutes or until these tomatoes just start to burst but still hold their shape. All right, this is looking good. I'm just going to place these tomatoes just to one side. You can see some of them have fallen off the vine, just perfect. And look at the garlic. See how they've just become so soft. I like to just spread a little of this garlic onto the bread. Not too much, it's just to flavour it, like bruschetta. So we'll just add a little of that garlic. It's not intense anymore because it's been roasted, so you can add a little more than usual. We'll take out the skins. I'll return the tomatoes back on. If you like, you can leave them on the vine, or you can do a little mix of both. You can take them off, crush them over the top, just make it look quite pretty. Do make sure you've got space for the hero here, our cherry bocconcini. And this is going to become lovely and warm as it cooks in the oven again. So you can see how they're the same size as the cherry tomatoes. And the colours, aren't they just gorgeous? So really pack in the bocconcini. A few more over here. And this is just delicious as is, but it's going to be even better when warmed through in the oven for a second cook. So in it goes. All right, bruschetta is out of the oven. You can see it's just starting to melt. I still want them to hold their shape, and we'll place this onto a plate. Look at those colours. To finish it off, an extra drizzle of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and in true Italian form, a little sprig of basil. The colours of Italy right there. That's my glamorous bruschetta using cherry bocconcini.